Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We are back with another one of this type of video, where we show you some opportunities on the internet that can earn you some money by doing the least amount of work. In this video, we will share a great way to make money online by simply watching videos, sending a like, sharing content, leaving a comment, and following accounts. So in short, pretty much every online activity you're doing on social media sites. Isn't that great? We all know you love browsing through your phone for hours on end. And now there is an opportunity for you to earn some cash while sitting on your sofa and doing various online activities. We will show you these websites that make this possible. Before you know it, you will earn some passive income by doing the things you love. So if you're interested, watch until the end because we will also show you a trick to maximize your earnings. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Do you know that there is a way for everyone just to have to press a button and get paid to watch a movie? How about a recurring payment daily just to like and comment on videos? You can effectively do many of these things in seconds on your phone every day. And you can make real money on the internet over and over again. You can withdraw money using PayPal. Even better, you can just transfer the money to your bank and get it into digital money. Isn't this wonderful? Not a lot of people are familiar with this website, so consider yourself lucky because we will show them to you today. We will guide you step by step in the most effective way for free. Don't worry, this site has no country restrictions, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you stay with us until the end, we will give you a bonus to earn extra money without doing any work. Take a good look at everything we have to say because this is a new site. We don't have to lose any vital information. Now looking at it, you will see 5 different strategies you can use to make money on this site. First, you can browse websites, videos, and advertisements. Then, at that point, let the interaction happen through online media. These activities include watching, liking, sharing, and possibly leaving a comment. You can also write surveys for specific projects. If that's your thing, you can finish school too. We think this is the best strategy for freelancers. But don't forget, we'll give you some tips later in this video, so stay tuned. Now let me show you the homepage. You can do this on any device such as your computer or mobile phone. You can be sure that it will apply to any country globally. No cash or investment is required. We will show you how it works. Step 1. Choose the sourcing technology. There are many ways to make money on this website. You will find different options here. There are 5 great technologies that should be clear and start working. Payment will be sent to you each time. Wouldn't it be great for you that you can be paid every 24 hours using this technique? Assuming you want to follow a free account, you have to click the sign up button and it will take you to this page. You can see your options here. You can use your Google or Microsoft account to get started. However, you can also enter your email and password here and do other things right away. No setup is required. Next, it will take you to this page, which is your control panel. You will see your income just above this line. This is another record, so you start from scratch because you haven't done anything yet. Calm down. When you begin withdrawing cash, it will appear on your dashboard. You've started to set up your account, so go to your inbox and find the verification link to verify your account. With this, your account is set up and activated, and you can start withdrawing cash today. Let us return to Control Panel. You need to click Earn to get to this page. You can choose the installment payment method. You've seen it all in this video before. Let's look at the basic strategies such as site search, bidding, and promotion. Just click the Earn button again and you'll be taken to where you can start looking for deals. This way you can start making money again. When you click Procure, a pop-up window will appear. As you can see here, it doesn't matter which tool you use. You can search the page to measure how long it's displayed and ensure it doesn't just stay in one place. This way, you can show that you are a natural person doing the work, not a robot modified to remain there when the time comes. The money will be credited to your record, and that's it. So let us show you more. Sometimes it instructs you to watch videos from YouTube with a very long duration. All you have to do is press play and watch the video based on the clock. When the time is up, try not to stop the video because you will not get the money. Next, the following methods allow media communication based on the web. Click Procure again and you will be transferred here. Leave a wide range of corporations. For example, this is YouTube and Instagram. You can watch videos, subscribe to channels, and like the videos. On Instagram, you can like posts and follow accounts too. It's easy, no skills are required. Rewards are just a few clicks away. We will show you an example by watching the video on YouTube. Click play and start watching the video until the clock comes out. Here's a tip. Set the video quality to the lowest setting. You can save data this way, and it will perform faster. In addition to creating an account and selecting a brochure, another approach is creating comments and reviewing or completing surveys. We did not mention the website's name yet, so you have no idea what we're talking about, right? This website is called zeroreclame.com. You can download it on iOS and Android devices and start transferring money online anytime, anywhere. Here's the reward tip that we're making you sit tight for. Zeroreclame has a referral program. You can refer or say hello to site affiliates where you can get a 12% commission. Just copy your referral link and share it with others. Anyway, wait, here's another bonus you can get on other sites. This website is called Coinbase.com. On the homepage, there is an Earn Crypto button. Click it and you will be taken to this page where you can earn using cryptocurrencies while learning about them. Just look at the material and you will get paid. Find out how much they will pay for video. For example, click Start Course and it will be downloaded here. You will see each video separately and each has a concise duration. And you can get paid to watch these videos. This is clear. You can watch this short video and you can earn money. You can also invite your peers to use the site and make $50 that easy. At that point, when you finish the course, you can start again and look at other classes so that they will continue to bring in more money. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? And we know that these websites have many great reviews online, but we are interested in learning from our viewers what it's like to use the service. Do you have great success with it? All of these things you can share in the comment section below. We love to read about them. You might also be able to help others that want to experience this service. Well, that will be all for now. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.